Okay guys, so check this out. I just got my new business cards recently. Takai Media, my production company, yes. And if you look on the back, we also have this QR code. You know, that thing when you go to restaurants now and you don't have to talk to the waiter anymore. All you have to do is scan this guy and you can look up the menu for your food. I'm really out of breath from doing that intro. I'm going to scan said business card. Look at that, Takai Media. Whoa, I can just pull up my website just off of my business card. I gotta change that thumbnail. It says 2020 still. But anyway, roll the intro. How's it going everyone? This is Scott Takai, and today we're talking about business cards. And to be honest, I used to think that business cards were really outdated because we have social media now. And I just thought to myself like, oh, I'll just follow the person that I'm trying to do business with, and then they'll follow me back, and then we can see what each other are doing. And then because I'm posting stuff, they'll see it every so often and they'll be reminded of me. But then I started to realize most people are not that interesting. I also thought that if people really wanted to see my work, my website is on my Instagram, plain as day. How hard is it to just type it into the web browser? And then I realized that this is social media. That's actually asking for too much. When I started to notice those aspects about social media, and then I started to discover the QR codes because of, you know, that pandemic thing, it completely flipped my perspective on having a business card. And with a QR code on your business card, it makes it way easier now to get people to look at your work a lot faster and with very minimal effort. And getting people to look at your work a lot faster is going to increase the likelihood of them actually looking at it, especially if you make it really easy for them. So how you would do this is you would go onto Google and type in QR code generator, and there's a ton of different websites that you can create one with for free, so I'm not going to recommend any specific ones. Just know that there's plenty to choose from and they should all pretty much work the same way. Then you type in the web address that you want your QR code to lead to, the website makes it for you, and then you download the PNG and upload it to Photoshop or wherever you're making your business card on, and that's pretty much it. So when you hand a business card to a potential client, you just tell them, if you want to check out my work, just pull out the camera on your phone and frame the camera above the QR code, and a push notification will appear with the website. Click it and boom. This to me beats following people on social media, because if you think about it, the process just takes a lot longer. If they want to see your work, they have to follow you, and then they have to go on your bio and look at the website and click on it. Like, there's just too many different little clicks that they have to do to actually get there. But if they have the business card, they can very easily pull it out, scan it, and within a matter of a few seconds, they're actually looking at your work. And this just speeds up the process of getting them to view your portfolio and possibly make a decision about hiring you. And to me personally, I think it makes you look a lot more professional. And if for whatever reason they don't check it out right away, chances are if they didn't throw it away, they still have the business card somewhere in their wallet. So whenever a situation comes up where they actually need some sort of video work, they can like, oh wait, I think I got a business card from that one person. Oh, I have a business card, and it's very easy to find it. Versus if they follow you on social media instead of being handed a business card, then there's a really good chance that they may have forgotten who you were at that point. And then at that point, you've lost a sale.